In the serene village of Luminera, nestled in a valley surrounded by majestic mountains, there was a legend told for generations, the tale of Radiance, the sky fairy. Radiance was said to be the guardian of the stars, bringing light and hope to the world every night. Long ago, when the night sky was dark and void of stars, the villagers lived in fear of the unknown. The darkness brought with it strange noises and ominous shadows that crept into their dreams. It was a time of great sorrow and despair. Until one fateful night when Radiance descended from the heavens. Radiance was a being of ethereal beauty, with shimmering wings that reflected the colors of the aurora and eyes that sparkled like the brightest stars. She wore a gown made of stardust that glowed softly, casting a gentle light around her. Her presence alone brought a sense of peace and calm to the villagers. She spoke with a voice like a melody, telling the villagers that she had come to banish the darkness and bring light to their lives. With a wave of her hand, she summoned the first stars into existence, each one a beacon of hope and joy. The night sky was transformed into a tapestry of glittering lights, filling the hearts of the villagers with wonder and happiness. Radiance taught the villagers to cherish the light within themselves and to find beauty in the world around them. She explained that each star represented a wish or a dream, and that by believing in their own inner light, they could make their dreams come true. For many years, Radiance visited the village, sharing her wisdom and spreading joy. Under her guidance, Luminera became a place of peace and prosperity, known far and wide as the village of eternal light. However, as time passed, Radiance sensed that her time on earth was coming to an end. She gathered the villagers one last time and gifted them with a magical crystal, infused with the light of 1,000 stars. She explained that this crystal would keep the night sky illuminated, even after she returned to the heavens. With a heavy heart, the villagers watched as Radiance ascended back into the sky, becoming one with the stars she had created. From that night on, the crystal radiated a brilliant light, ensuring that the sky remained bright and full of stars. The villagers never forgot Radiance and her teachings. They passed down the legend of the sky fairy to their children and their children's children, reminding them to always look to the stars for hope and inspiration. To this day, the village of Luminera remains a beacon of light, a testament to the enduring legacy of Radiance, the sky fairy, and on clear nights, when the stars shine their brightest, the villagers say you can still see Radiance, dancing among the stars, her light guiding and protecting them, forever and always.